Hello and welcome to Theme Park Worldwide. We're here at Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay, Florida. Riding the all-new Iron Gwazi. Here we go. Let's go!
I never got to be in a seat with a vlogger.
Oh, well, this is it. Here we go. Whee! Beautiful evening for it as well. Sun's going down here in Tampa. And look at this view. So we're climbing up to 206 feet. Wow. We're going to be experiencing 3 inversions, a top speed of 76 miles an hour, and we'll be starting off with a 91-degree drop. And you're all going to experience it with me. Here we go. Wow. The clunk of an RMT lifter. We slow down at the top, and here we go.
Oh yeah!
We're about to get whipped over. Here we go. Relentless from start to finish. There you go, Iron Gwazi.
Favorite ever.
Oh, there we go. Oh, what an absolutely spectacular experience. The crowd goes wild. Iron Gwazi. What an absolutely phenomenal ride. And look at the gorgeous structure there, the build quality, the way it looks, and the overall theme and style of the ride. And yeah, riding it with the sun going down here in Tampa. Absolutely beautiful. Thanks for joining me here on Theme Park Worldwide. And get out there, keep on riding. See you in the next video.